Okay, I got the back seat in. Remember I was telling you about, this is like super light. I mean, you can see my fingers, there's nothing there. And that goes right to there. Anyway, all four of these points down here, these absolutely have to be in there. It goes in at this angle, and then once you do that, get your seat belts out of the way, and then push it back. Okay, before you put the rear seat down, make sure you get these two connectors. There's two on each side. Those are for the heated seats, so you definitely want that. Make sure you fish all your stuff back through here. I think that damn thing actually clips onto there. It does. Alright, and then this clip right here goes underneath here, and then you just push it in. Okay, rear seats are in, and then we got this to deal with. Easy hookup here, in case you forgot, because it seems like it has been forever since we got here. That one goes there, that one goes there, and then these are two wires that I made for my USB plug. And then this one plugs into right there. So anyway, don't forget, top goes in first. You kind of need to be at an angle like that. Top goes in first, those pins up there. Once you got that, once you got everything plugged in back here, make sure your seat belts are not tucked inside somewhere. If you can't tell, I've got my USBs plugs coming out under here. That's kind of a temporary thing because I haven't figured out what I want to do with it. Anyway, the center tunnel is so easy to take off that I know I can do it some other time when I feel like it. And then the two bolts go in up there, and the other two bolts go back there, and then you pop your cover in and you're done.